Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you look up tax delinquent properties in your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find tax delinquent properties in Propwire anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a real estate business, you know that if a property is tax delinquent, it could be a sign of motivation. So generally it's a pretty good list to go after. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've pulled up my Propwire account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to look for tax delinquent properties, first off, you want to go ahead and choose your farming area. I'm going to go ahead and just choose a county. Okay. Once you do that, it's going to pull up all the different properties in that particular area, and Propwire makes it pretty easy to find tax delinquent properties. Here on lead types, you're going to click on that drop down menu and scroll down until you see tax lien. Another way you can do that is over here on the more button. You can click on there and you'll see these 5 options, and then you're going to click on owner filters, and once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the tax delinquent year. So we'll do 2024 to 2025, and then click on save and close. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to find tax delinquent properties in your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.